This baby was born in Raipur, in Chhattisgarh. They belong to Bhavani Patna, that is in Kalahandi district, which is about 500, more than 500 kilometers from the state capital of Bhubaneswar. So this baby, after being born, they came back to their native place in Bhavani Patna. Then the family members, including the father, mother, grandfather, and few other members, they developed fever and some symptoms like COVID. And when they tested, it was RT-PCR positive. And the baby also developed fever and feeding difficulties around 15 days of life. Then the father and grandfather got a bit more symptomatic, so they traveled from Bhavani Patna to here. And when we received the baby was 25 days old, and the baby presented to us with severe respiratory distress and multiple seizures also. So we took immediate measures to resuscitate the baby and put the baby on ventilator and started with the associated medicine including remdesivir, steroids. As you know, remdesivir is not a authorized drug to be used in pediatric and newborn age group, but this was a life saving measure, so we had to use that emergency authorization use, and took parental consent and undertaking, because we are using this as a life saving measure. And risk benefit ratio, if you see, we saw that there will be more benefit than the risk. So the baby remained on ventilator for 10 days, got all the medicines, remdesivir, steroids, vasopressors, IV fluids, and other supportive treatment, and got out of the ventilator after 10 days of very difficult and stormy course. All our team members have taken care of the baby, and after 10 days the baby came out of the ventilator. Then after a day the baby was started on breastfeeding and got discharged after 20 days of hospitalization. In the meantime, the father and grandfather was admitted in another hospital, and they were also in ICU. The grandfather became very serious and unfortunately could not be saved. The father got well and got discharged, and the mother was not that much severely symptomatic. She was mildly symptomatic, so she got well at with home isolation.
So how you got to know that about this infection of COVID regarding the baby, and after the treatment you have also conduct the test against the when after how much day?
On admission, when the baby presented with fever, respiratory distress, and with family members having RT-PCR COVID positive, we tested the baby with RT-PCR. It was positive, and after 10 days, 12 days, we again retested. It was RT-PCR negative. So by the time of discharge, the baby was RT-PCR negative.
If we just talk about the last 1 year, especially in first wave and then now second wave, have you seen this kind of case with a baby tested positive for COVID-19?
Yeah, if you compare the last wave and this wave, during the last wave, we had seen babies becoming positive, but they were not symptomatically severe. They were almost like asymptomatic, and they were well. They never presented with any difficulties, because the babies who were born to positive RT-PCR COVID positive mothers, we normally test as per protocol at 24 hours, and if negative again at 72 hours, and we have found few babies positive, and similar kind of reports are there throughout India and even across the globe. But normally newborn babies and pediatric age group, they do not go into very symptomatic, or they usually don't go into severe forms